Muscle car time here at Unique Specialty and Classics. It's a popular one too. 1967 Pontiac GTO, two-door hardtop, era correct 400 cubic inch V8 underneath the hood. That is paired up with a 4-speed Muncie manual transmission in this one. Nicely equipped with power steering, power brakes. Let's take a look at this front end with the iconic GTO grille, stacked headlights. Now we do have a couple dingers up in the chrome, if you can kind of see that. Again, nothing major, just want to point it out. Still a great looking car. Paint shows well. Take your time looking through the still pictures on this one. You'll be able to see the trunk, the engine bay, interior, undersides. UniqueClassicCars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description if you're seeing it on YouTube. You can also call us 507-386-1726. Riding on the Krager SS chrome wheels, Goodyear Eagle GA radials. Original paint code on this car was F, so it'd be Tyrol blue. Parchment interior 224. Trim code. So still looking very similar to the day it would have rolled off the Pontiac dealer showroom floor back in 1967. Let's take a look up and down this passenger side. You can see it's not full of nicks, dings, scratches, anything major. Nice color combination with a parchment interior, bucket seats of course, center console. I did leave the glove box door open. I want to remember to tell you there is a aftermarket stereo in the glove box. It is working. Black vinyl top, nice shape. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. See those long panels, nice and straight. Slip around to the rear of the car. Let's take a look at the chrome. Rear bumper shows its age a little bit. A few little spots. True dual exhaust. And once again, you'll be able to see the underside picks inside the trunk. This car will come with a car cover I'll put in the trunk also. UniqueClassicCars.com is where you can check out those picks. If you like late 60s, early 70s muscle cars, maybe you like late model Mustangs, Corvettes, Camaros, or you like the real old vintage antique classics, either way, go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You never know what you may see come through here. Videos are uploaded daily. Cars are available to purchase when the videos are uploaded, either via our website or right off our showroom floor if you can make it to see us in person. As we take a peek up and down the driver's side of this car, you can see paint shows well on this side also. Again, not full of any major nicks, dings, or scratches. Panels appear nice and straight. Good stance. Vinyl top on the driver's side, also nice shape. If you stick around to the very end of this video, we're going to take this car for a drive, put the camera in it, take you for a virtual ride if you will. But first, let's check out this interior a little closer. We're going to start it up so you can hear it run. You'll be able to see pictures of the VIN tag and also the data tag. If you want to do any decoding in with the still pictures, you can see seating surfaces. Nice shape. Front and rear. Got the headliner. Headliner also good shape. I've had the wipers working. Again, the aftermarket stereo in the glove box works, horn works, blower fan works. Let's go ahead and fire this up. You can see tachometer working. Fuel gauge on the left. Water temp, that was a cold start, you can see in there you go. And oil pressure. There is an aftermarket oil pressure gauge down below also. Stereo system in working order. All right. This is warm up just a tad. Holley 4-barrel on it. This thing's door closes nicely, fits well. This thing's got a nice rumble to it. Again, era correct 400 V8 underneath the hood. Muncie 4-speed. Speaking of that, 400 cubic inch V8. Let's go check it out. I'm going to pause this a second, get the hood open, check out the engine bay, and once again, remember, stick around to the very end of this video. We're taking this car for a drive. There's a look at the underside of the hood. And engine bay. There's a battery disconnect. We're in between drives. Maybe while it's in storage. A little update on service work that was recently done to this. It does have a new aluminum radiator there, as you can see, as well as thermostat. It also has new rear wheel cylinders. Once again, power steering, power brakes. Good looking engine bay. Nice, clean and tidy. Nothing over the top. This would be a fun one. Local roll-ins, cruise-ins, your local shows. Definitely a head turner. Popular body style, 1967 Pontiac GTO 2-door hardtop. Real deal. Stick around a little bit longer. We're taking this thing for a drive, show you how it goes down the road. Check out all the still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com. We do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Here we have a 1967 Pontiac GTO and a nice light blue metallic with a cream colored interior complemented with the black and wood grain in the dash. This is a 4 on the floor, 4-speed transmission. Very smooth running GTO, shifts nicely. Both our turn signals are working. Strong acceleration. This is a good running car. Now our water temp gauge is at a quarter. Onto the dash we have an additional water temperature gauge, which is showing about 180. Oil pressure is about 70. Factory tachometer is working. That's very cool. Speedometer also working, and the fuel gauge is showing a quarter of a tank. Wipers work on this car, blower motor works on this car. Comfortable factory looking bucket seats. I feel like I'm right in the power band. A nice spot to be for power and fun driving this GTO. Feels like I could probably do this roundabout in third gear. Let's see how that goes. Just at a nice lower RPM. Corners very nicely. So I just punched it in third and we got a little tire chirp. She's got lots of power, very fun. Nice throttle response. Great looking GTO. Take a look at all the pictures, learn more about this 67 GTO at uniqueclassiccars.com.